Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download closing cost calculators with Bankrate for investment buyers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL www.bankrate.com. Once the page loads, navigate to the search bar at the top. Type closing cost calculator and press enter. Review the search results presented on the page. Look for the link that specifically mentions Closing Costs Calculator. Click on that link to access the calculator tool. Once on the calculator page, find the option to download the calculator. This is usually indicated by a button or link that says Download or Get the Calculator. Click on the Download button. A new window may pop up asking for confirmation. Confirm the download if prompted. Choose the location on your device where you'd like to save the file. Click Save. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it. Read any installation instructions that appear. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, you can begin using the closing cost calculator for your investments. Ensure your device meets any necessary software requirements. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the Bankrate website for troubleshooting tips. Now you can easily calculate closing costs for your investment purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.